First time I ever saw like a moiré pattern working, and it was kind of spellbinding. I couldn't believe it because it seemed like something that was there and not there. I've been using them some way in my artwork off and on for years. I mean, I do different things too, but I'd always try to get something like that in there because I always thought it added something to what I was working on. It didn't have to be all about that. It should be kind of a mixture using that. The idea of having stripes or lines crossing over lines, I mean, there's a million ways to do it. It's nice if it's a continuous line crossing over a continuous line, not a grid or something. So I found this it's Lexan. It's a plastic material, and very thick Lexan is like bulletproof. And the structures that hold these, and they're 4x8 panels, very, very thin, so you kind of drape them instead of placing them on there. It's on the structure I kind of came up with, the thin aluminum tubing, square tubing to hold them up, and some clear plexiglass stands. So I think the tallest one is like 9 feet. That actually help brace parts of this, but that goes away too. If you see anything, you see a reflection off of these things, which is kind of part of it too. So all those things together gives me exactly what I was trying to do: get these lines floating in space.